So hey guys, this is just a very quick demo with a couple of products that we'll be using in some of the new workshops coming up in 2022. So we're now a stockist for Gamblin oil paints and also the cold wax medium. So I'm just quickly going to show you how easy it is to actually mix dry pigment in its purest form in with the cold wax. So that you can actually start creating paintings. So I'm using the Language dry pigment. That's the CAD orange, and then I've also got, and we can stock these as well. These are the pan pastels, which you normally see people using with sponges. But if you basically just drop your pigment down into the wax, you can start mixing the pigment in with your wax, and you're ready to go. It's just a really beautiful, vibrant orange, this one. You don't need much pigment ratio to the actual cold wax medium, and it's low Vox, which means there's none of the nasty normal sort of oil, sort of solvent smells you get with this type of oil painting process. And it dries a lot faster as well. So we're now stocking the Gamblin pure dry pigments in the shop, and we will be stocking some of the sets of the pan pastels as well. So that's just very quickly showing you how you can mix up cold wax with your dry pigment. There you go. See you soon, bye.